Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner and we got to do anything we wanted. I started off applying 2 coats of this beautiful red called Siren. It's from Pure Ice. Since the red manicure looks so beautiful, I decided to do a simple stamping by picking up 2 cactus and succulent designs from this Ejiubas stamping plate. I used the black Beauty Bigbang stamping polish. Both images look beautiful in just the black polish, but I decided to fill them in using different shades. I started off with the green from Beauty Bigbang. I apply a drop of the polish on a little card, and using the dotting tool, I pick up the polish and fill in the design. To avoid smearing the design, I gently tap on the polish onto the stamper, and I'm very careful so that I don't press down too firmly. To fill in the tiny flowers, I use this orange Pure Ice called Gourd-geous. And on the second image, I apply just a tiny bit at the base of the succulent. Once both images are completely dry, I use my white Funky Fingers nail polish called Gesso to completely cover the entire design. This will ensure that the colors I use to fill in the design will stand out on the red nail. And now comes the fun part. Once they're both completely dry, we can stamp them directly onto the nail. And look how beautiful they turned out. The final step is to apply a shiny top coat. I'll be using my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to ensure that the image doesn't smear. Instead of applying a regular top coat on the 2 red nails, I decided to use this Pure Ice called It's Alive to add a little bit of sparkle. This is the completed manicure. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!